Hey guys, we're updating some stuff in the things that we use in our production of our videos. Part of that is the microphone. Earlier in the past few months, I unboxed a microphone that the USB microphone from Blue Mic. I used it for some time, but I have to return it because I'm not satisfied. So I replace it with this one. The same company that manufactures the microphone. This one is a Yeti. It's a Blue Yeti Ultimate USB microphone for professional recording. It's got four settings, infinite. It says four settings, infinite possibilities. It has the stereo, for cardioid, for omnidirectional and bidirectional, all in all the options that I can be using while recording. Let us take a closer look. That's the microphone, and these are the options. So, this is the bigger view of the microphone. USB cable included, it says. Good for PC and Mac. Let us do it, or let us check one by one. It says that it's a mute button, a master volume, a headphone output, a USB mini jack, and a custom base, and a triple capsule, mic gain control, 4 polar pattern selector, stereo, cardioid, omni, bidirectional. So, the Yeti is alive. Yeti, legendary ape-like creature who roams the Himalayas. Number 2, an incredibly versatile USB microphone found worldwide. So we will have to open the Yeti. The first thing that you can see when you're opening the box is the USB cord. It doesn't show if it's a USB 3.0. Let me see. It doesn't show anything if it shows USB 3.0. It only says USB cable included. It doesn't show, say, in 3.0. This is the microphone. I mean, the cord, it's very long. I think it's very long enough. This is the literature for the ultimate USB microphone for professional recording. Let me see. It doesn't show triple capsule array, multiple pattern selection, microphone gain, and the blue logo. The blue logo indicates the front of the microphone. Set screws, mute button, status light, headphone volume control, headphone output, USB connection. It doesn't show if it's a USB 3.0 or what. All these things. It says it's also compatible for other Windows operating system before the Windows 10. So I think this came out long ago already. I'm too late in updating my microphone because the last one that it shows is only Windows 7, Windows 8, Apple Macintosh or OS X 10.4.11. So it doesn't show for Windows 10, but my computers are already Windows 10. So everything here will have to be studied and read, and then we'll have to make and apply it in our recording. Cardioid, bidirectional, omnidirectional. It even shows the tips, tricks, and facts and more. Specification is okay. It says that the microphone in performance, power required consumption is 5 volts at 150 mA. Simple rate at 48 kHz. Bit rate at 16-bit. Capsules 3 blue proprietary 14mm condenser capsules and polar patterns, cardioid, bidirectional, omnidirectional, stereo. Frequency response is 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Sensitivity is 4.5 MV to /PA or 1 kHz. Headphone it's got a I can plug in a headphone here. Headphone amplifier impedance at 16 ohms. Power output at RMS 130 megawatts. I don't know some other terms. I'm not very familiar with all these terms. So it says specifications, dimension, extended and stand. It's 4.72 inches, and weight of the microphone is 1.2 pounds or 5.55. Is this 0.55 kilograms? And the weight stand alone is 2.2 pounds or 1 kilogram. You also, this is, I think this says only here that it's compatible with Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista, XP Home Edition, or XP Professional. Oh my. USB 1.1 and USB 2.0, 64 megabyte RAM minimum. So this is not 3.0. It's also for Macintosh USB 1.1, 2.0, 64 MB RAM minimum. So let's open the microphone. It's here. It's got the preservative things, silica gel, do not eat, throw away, desiccant. So this is how the microphone would look like. Oh. Let me see. Just turn it, you cannot see it in the camera. Let me see. So now we have to, let me show the camera. We'll discard the box. So this is how folded. Now we have to make it stand. So it says gain, turn left, right. These are the 4 options: cardioid, stereo, or whatever. And then it can fix it, like make it stand like this one, or facing me, or facing you. This is the other one. This is for the mute, for the volume of the microphone, and at the, now for monitoring my headphone. This one is the for the USB, mini USB cord, plus this one will go through to the computer. I'll be using this for my voiceovers on my videos, including the all other projects that I'm doing. This is my new microphone. I replaced the other one, the ice bowl, but with the same company though. It's the same company that manufactured the microphone. So this is it. Heavy. You feel like you're it's a professional looking thing. For so you can stand front of the front and this one, because I think the gain, the gain of the microphone is very good. So the sound gain is very good. So hope I didn't damage. Yeah. Okay. So now we have the new microphone. Here the monitoring for my headphone and for the USB. So now I'll be using this. Maybe I will let it stand like this so I can control, just in case I'm recording. Just press this one, then it will be mute. Press again, then it will be recording the sounds. And my new Yeti microphone in replacement of the old one. I mean, it was new one, but I have to replace because this looks much better. I think I'm expecting a better performance on this one. Yeti microphone from Blue Microphone. From Blue Microphone, yeah, that's it. Blue microphones. Oops, another one. I have to protect this one. It might, before I use this, it might not be working anymore. I hope you come back to watch all of my videos, because my videos that I produce are kind of mixed interest, but I also do some unboxing, because only for the gadgets that I'm using in the course of my video production and recording. Please do visit my YouTube channel and show some support by subscribing, and hope to see you coming back more often. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you guys.